Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your chosen phone audio editor and immediately importing the audio clip and a short background noise sample you recorded earlier. You want that noise sample to represent only the unwanted sound. Capture 3-5 seconds of room tone or traffic without speech. Once done, locate the noise reduction or noise print tool in the Apps menu and select the recorded noise sample to create a profile. Make sure to save a copy of the original before you alter anything. Now you apply the noise profile to the full clip at conservative strength, typically start low and increase gradually. You'll want to tweak the reduction amount and a smoothing or attack control so the voice stays natural. Harsh settings create underwater or metallic artifacts. Once done, play 10-20 seconds in a quiet environment and watch meters for sudden drops or pumping. If voice clarity suffers, reduce reduction or use a spectral reduction brush on problem frequencies and re-preview. Finish by exporting a high-quality master file, preferably WAV or 320 kbps MP3, and label it with the date so you can revert if needed. If you still hear artifacts, identify persistent frequencies with a spectral view and apply narrow notch filters or gentle EQ cuts rather than cranking noise reduction. If noise spikes happen only in parts, render multiple passes or manually replace sections with cleaner takes. If audio sounds thin after processing, add a touch of broadband warmth with a low shelf boost and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.